Thank you, TikTok, for keeping me motivated. Here's another easy design trick. So for today, as you can see, I have 3 photographs that I took in real life of pumpkins I've crafted by hand. This picture was taken on a staircase, so it has the stairs in the background. This picture was taken on my bed, so of course there's a cat, examining the pumpkin. And this one was taken on the kitchen table, where you can see natural kitchen table background fodder. All 3 of these look really good, but I wanted to isolate them, and the easiest way is Remove.BG. And it's amazingly fast. All you do, right, you drag and drop any one of them that you'd like. This is in real time, by the way. Gone. Boom. Even the little notch inside of the stem, all of it, completely cleared out. And there is 2, you can pay a little more to get it in HD. The normal free ones are actually really nice. So let's just throw all pumpkins in there. Look at that. It's like magic. It really is like magic. And they have tools here too. If it doesn't get a certain spot, or if it takes something that you didn't mean to, there's adjusting tools on the side you can see. But look how clean it cut these pumpkins out. And voila, despite being like restricted to only about 500 pixels, these actually come out extremely high quality and crisp. Like, look at that. That is awesome. And now enjoy a video of me designing my namesake. See you later.
Drowning in the clutter, got no room for nothing else but trouble. All the seats in a broken keychain, running late cause I got lost in the haze. Pocket junk, gotta clear it all away. Can't weigh me down another day. Pocket junk, gotta clean up the mess. Clean it up, find some room for something new, I guess. Living life on the edge like it's all just a game. Pocket junk, I got nobody else to blame. Guided by the moonlight, facing the world head on. Working to find a way to break these chains and move on. Blinded by moonlight and facing the world head on. Working to find a way to break these chains and move on. Pocket junk.